Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Mark Cook's here with us again, and today we're going to talk about your house and your structure and the proximity it is to slopes and how that can impact your home's foundation. So, what have you seen in the Mark?
Well, I mean, Brian, I look at 10 houses a week. I would say 6 to 7 of them are right next to slopes. Structures on hills want to go down the hill. So that's what I run into all the time.
Yeah, and a lot of the houses that we see don't have retaining walls or anything retaining any of the soil or the
No.
slope. So, I mean, that's a huge impact that you're basically having a dirt pile and you pour water on it and it's just going to wash it out. So,
Yeah.
anything above it does the same thing. So, next time we'll talk about how vegetation can impact your home's foundation in the upcoming episode. So, stay tuned and we will see you soon.